Hey everybody, Omega Writer DX video review. Today's review is High Grade Gundam Model Kit, the original Gundam RH-78-2 from Mobile Suit Gundam 1979 by Bandai Spirit. Yeah, this is my birthday present. It's a high grade version model kit Gundam. I already reviewed this one, RG version. This is high grade version. It's different. Yeah, let's close detail. Very nice figure. I building myself or finished instruction. Very cool. Sign. Pretty awesome. Now articulation of RH-78-2 Gundam. The head rotate this. Careful, the horn will be broken. Pieces. Did this. The head go up and down. The arm rotate this. It come in and out. Be careful the Papima too. It come in and out. The shoulder. The arm rotate this. Bend the elbow. The fist rotate this. Rotate. Come side inside. Waist swivel. Go up and down. The legs front and back. It go in and out. Rotate this. The legs. Bend the knee. The ankle side inside. Up and down. Come side inside. That's it. Articulation of RH-78-2 Gundam model kit. Now accessory is the shield. I hold it like this. Shield. Like this. Along the effect and beam saber effect by not using. In the bazooka and alternate open fist, open, two holding and one holding laser pistol. I use this. Now, let's see comparison. RG Gundam. Yeah, it looks different now. Yeah, that was pretty careful, all the pieces. Yeah, that one I lost it. High grade is much better than. Yeah, that was RG is better losing. Yeah, this figure I recommend it. This one my birthday present. Thanks Julia, she gave me. This is my birthday present. Now guys, check out my Omega Writer DX video review. Check out my Twitter and Facebook. Now guys, Omega Writer DX video review signing out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.